Everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Eyes Fashion Shop. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive dresses collections only for you. So let me display this one. Very beautiful and elegant color combinations with fully designer piece, premium quality rayon cotton fabric. Very soft, comfortable, premium quality rayon cotton fabric with beautiful design work, artificial mirror with embroidery design work. Very smart looks. This one is neck portions and this one hand portions, also beautiful work, very trendy looks, and this portion is full portions and bottom portions also beautiful designer work mirrored with embroidery design. Very trendy and fresh looks and elegant color combinations, and have bottom part. This one is leggings. Beautiful combinations, bright, beautiful, elegant looks. So let me display next one. And also very beautiful elegant looks, premium quality khadi cotton base with beautiful printed one, very nice trendy looks, all over texture pattern weaving, and premium quality khadi cotton base with beautiful fine printed one, very elegant looks. This portion is hand portions and this one is neck portions, very trendy and smart looks, and this one beautiful plazo with embroidery work, very trendy and smart looks. This one is full set, very elegant one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, also best for your daily wear, professional wear, very smart looks. So let me display next one. Very beautiful bright looks and very fully designer piece, premium quality pure handloom cotton fabric with beautiful embroidery mirror design, very nice looks, fully designer piece, very trendy and smart looks, bright color combinations. This one is hand portions, beautiful piping design, contrast color, and this one is bottom portions is beautiful contrast color feel, very trendy and bright looks, fully designer piece, and have bottom part. This one is leggings, very beautiful smart one. This one is full set, very beautiful gorgeous bright looks. So let me display next one. Beautiful bright looks, printed one, crepe material with beautiful design work, printed one. This portion is designer buttons, very trendy and smart looks, bright printed one, and this portion neck portions, very nice looks, bright one, and this one is hand portions, contrast color piping and all over contrast color printed one, floral printed, very smart and trendy looks, fashionable also, and bottom part also. This one is beautiful leggings, very nice color combinations, and this one is full set, very beautiful bright one, best for your daily wear, office wear, very smart look. So let me display next one. Very beautiful bright one and fully designer piece and anarkali pattern, very trendy looks, and a premium quality cotton fabric, fully designer piece, and this portion is beautiful design contrast color with zari embroidery design work. This portion is very beautiful one and fully printed one, premium quality cotton with print, and this one bottom portions also contrast color piping with beautiful printed one, very trendy and smart looks, and this one is hand portions also contrast color piping with zari design, very nice bright looks, black base, and have bottom part, and this one is bottom portions leggings, very trendy and bright gorgeous looks, fully designer piece, very bright one. So let me display next one. Very beautiful elegant premium quality, this one is premium quality soft cotton fabric with beautiful design chiffon work, nice buttons design, very trendy and smart looks, beautiful designer piece, very elegant one, and this one split pattern design work. This portion very nice look, very soft comfortable, and this one hand portions beautiful printed one and very soft material, comfortable summer friendly elegant looks, nice bottom part also. This one beautiful leggings, very trendy and smart looks. This one is leggings, premium quality, and this one is full set, very nice one. So let me display next one. Beautiful exclusive one, premium quality cotton fabric with nice printed one, and these portions pure silk material with beautiful printed one. This portion is silk material, this portion is neck design, very smart and elegant looks, and this one is premium quality cotton fabric, soft one, summer friendly bright looks. This portion is hand portion, and this one full top part, straight pattern, and beautiful middle portions, pure silk shiny material with beautiful printed one. And this one, bottom part leggings, very trendy and smart, elegant, bright looks. So let me display next one. Very beautiful, bright, gorgeous look, silk material base with beautiful design work. These portions, neck portions with beautiful design work, embroidery, fine embroidery design, and full base part is silk material. And this one, hand portions with contrast color, piping design, and this one is silk material, very bright, gorgeous looks and straight pattern, and have bottom also. This one is contrast color leggings, very beautiful, smart and bright looks, based for your daily wear, office wear also, very smart one. So let me display next one. Beautiful color combination, same material, same pattern, different color only. And this portion is beautiful fine embroidery design, pure silk material, bright color combinations. This one is hand portion, same contrast color, piping pattern hands. And this one is beautiful straight cutting, very trendy and smart looks, bright color, silk material. And this one, bottom part, this one is beautiful leggings, premium quality soft leggings, very nice bright looks. So let me display next one. Beautiful smart looks, premium quality cotton fabric with printed one all over base. And this portions, beautiful zari embroidery design, very trendy and smart looks, bright one, soft, comfortable, summer friendly obviously. And this one is hand portion, straight cutting, and this one is full base, beautiful printed one with contrast color cotton fabric, dupatta with printed, very nice looks. And this one, bottom part, this one is bottom part, straight pattern, that's very trendy and smart looks. And this one is full set, very beautiful one. So let me display next one. Very beautiful elegant looks, premium quality cotton fabric, very soft, comfortable, with beautiful sequin beads embroidery design work, very smart and elegant looks. And these portions, hand portions, beautiful printed with design work, very smart and elegant looks. And this one, contrast color printed bottom part. This one is full set, very nice trendy looks, based for your office wear, daily wear, summer wear also, very comfortable one. So let me display next one. Very beautiful bright looks, premium quality cotton fabric with beautiful printed one all over base, with beautiful design work, sequin beads embroidery design. This portion is fully designer piece. And this one, original mirror embroidery design work. And this portion is hand portions, fully printed with beautiful contrast color embroidery work, very nice and bright looks, with contrast color designer dupatta, fully printed with zari embroidery border work dupatta, very smart and bright looks, beautiful one. And this one, bottom part also, contrast color, beautiful straight cutting bottom part, very nice looks and bright, gorgeous also, based for your party wear, festive wear, gift purpose also. So let me display next one. Very beautiful one, premium quality soft cotton fabric with beautiful design work, zari embroidery design work, very nice looks. And this one, a hand portion, straight cutting. And this one also full set is full top part, straight cutting with beautiful cotton fabric, sivori printed contrast dupatta. And this one, bottom part, very nice looks, fully cotton fabric, straight pattern, pant bottom part, very nice one, contrast color printed one, and soft, comfortable, summer friendly obviously. So let me display next one. This one also, very beautiful and smart, trendy, fashionable looks. These portions, beautiful button design and all over premium quality cotton fabric with beautiful printed one, smart printed. And this one, hand portions. This one is button, very trendy and smart, elegant looks. And bottom part also, very smart one, cigar pant. This one is cigar pant, beautiful smart looks, and have pockets also, very trendy and smart one, based for your office wear, professional wear, very smart one. So let me display next one. Next one also, very bright looks, very beautiful bright looks, and premium quality georgette base with beautiful fully hand chicken work, and inside have cotton linens also. And this one is hand portions and fully hand chicken heavy work, very trendy and smart bright looks, same materials today I have draped chicken work, and this one, very beautiful color combination. This portion is neck portions, beautiful design work and fully hand chicken work, and this one bottom part, very beautiful one, embroidery work, white base, embroidery design work. Bottom, this one is what full set, very nice and bright gorgeous looks also. So let me display next one. Very beautiful bright color combination, same material, georgette base, premium quality soft georgette base. Inside have cotton linens and with beautiful fine hand chicken work, very nice and bright looks, fully hand chicken work all over base. And these portions, hand portions also chicken work, very trendy and bright gorgeous looks. And bottom part also, very beautiful one, beautiful pants design, cigar pant with chicken work, and full set is chicken work, very trendy and bright smart looks. And today I have draped also same material, pure georgette base with beautiful hand chicken work, designer piece, very nice one. Inside have cotton linens with chiffon with chicken work dupatta, and bottom also cigar pant with fully chicken work, very beautiful gorgeous looks. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.